Hello and welcome to another one of my product review slash unboxing videos. So previously we had done a product unboxing on the Corsair M65 Pro 12,000 DPI mouse, and here it is. Very nice bit of kit, and we decided to get a really decent mouse mat to go with it. And the mouse mat we've got here is obviously made by Corsair, and the model number of it is MM300, and it's an anti-fray cloth mouse mat. It says it has a textile weave designed for precision tracking, reinforced stitched edge guards against surface peeling, it's optimised for high DPI gaming mouse, which that type of mouse even. This one we've got here measures 360 by 300 by 3mm, so it's got 3mm thickness. What else does it say? It says it offers superior control due to the textile weave surface, no fray, no fuss, zero slip. So this was purchased from Amazon. I think it's about £15–16. It wasn't a fortune, it might have been a little bit less. I'm filming this in June in 2020. It's nicely packed and it's got a plastic cover. So we'll do this video in two parts. I'm filming this by myself, so I can't unpack it and film at the same time. So I'll come back to you once I've unpacked it. Hi and welcome back to the second part of the mouse mat video. So this is one we're doing. So it came rolled up, simply just rolled up in this cardboard box, and included was a warranty guide, and this is the actual mouse mat, and it has like a grey type of design, has the Corsair logo like that, and it also has it in white here. It's almost like a type of metal that's been sort of scratched, but it looks quite cool. Feels really smooth. It's got a bit of give in it. Got a stitched edge here. So this reason I'm doing this video is if you think about buying one, it's the sort of quality you can expect. So this is the stitched edge. It's nicely finished. It's fairly big, and I'll show it with a Corsair mouse in it in a minute. This is the back. The back is like a rubbery, almost like a stitched rubbery surface. So it gives you good grip. And that extends to the back. So let's get it with with a mouse on it. So this is a Corsair gaming mouse. I've done a review about this already. So what's it like on here? Really nice and smooth. What's it like without being on a normal just desk? It actually feels a bit heavier on this here. Yeah, it's way smoother. The difference is huge. So that's my products review and unboxing for the Corsair MM300 mouse mat. They do actually, another important thing to say is they do sell them in various sizes. I believe there's a smaller version. I believe the one we have is this one here. There's a smaller version, there's a full mat, so you've got a real good glide, but I mean this will be more than enough for me. And they also do hard surface version and pro side jaw version as well. So as I say, if you think about buying one of these, this is the quality you can expect, and I hope my video helps you. Thanks for watching.